Okay, here's a Bosch oven. Here's gonna be serial number. The problem is that when I try to choose anything, it just beeps but stays dark. So assuming this panel works, since it makes sounds, my main concern is about control board that is located over here. So since it's a built-in oven, we have to take two screws, one here, one on another side. Sometimes it's more, but in this case it's only two. Then you can take this one panel off. And you have to go here, so I have to pull it out. So here we go. I'm here. Control board, display board. Display board was dark. Nothing happening. Even you press something, it beeps, but display stays blank, dark. So in order to get here, you have to take this panel off. It's only 6 screws. One over here, one over here, and second gonna be on the top. Everything looks good, clean, no burns. Now we have to push it back. In order to take a panel off, you have to lift it this way and lift it up. Be careful because it's holding 2 wires. This one is going to top part and this one is going to display module. So I thought this is going to be an issue with the module, but all I had to do is to disconnect it and connect it back. Here we go, just put it back. So 1 screw on the side, same on the right, and you have 4 screws over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna take this piece. Here's a manual in case you need it under this plate. So now I need 2 hands. This plate is, it looks like it's going this way, but no, you have to turn it around. And here we go. And now we have 1 screw over here. And this is the last piece. It's going this way. And 2 screws going over here. Okay, and 1 more screw over here and left side. This one you don't have to take off, only this one, since it's holding this panel, because we have to take it off. The thing I'm dealing with right now, you have to put this thing first before this, otherwise it will be crooked like this. It's most important to put this middle piece inside, and then it's going to be aligned and straight line. This first, this is second.